Everybody's ready. Abigail's eating. You eating? Yeah? And then, oh yeah, the Roomba's ready to clean the house, and Daddy is going to a special event today. So happy. He got all ready. He ironed his clothes. Rafael's ready. How many kitties you got?
1, 4.
But where's George at?
George?
I think Abigail has George.
No, she's eating.
I mean, she... Okay.
She's drinking.
Okay, we'll leave that story for later.
You can't see the black lines.
The what?
Black lines. This.
Black lines?
There's black lines over here.
Oh no, don't see anything.
That's what I
Nope.
got before.
And then you got your good one for the stage presentation.
I had to iron both anyway.
Yeah. He's gonna take 2 outfits today, one for getting on stage and one for wearing all day.
He's a running shirt.
Yeah. Gonna get aired out.
Probably not like the other thing.
You excited about today? Nervous?
No. What's there to be nervous about?
I don't know. You're meeting the commander of the whole entire army.
You didn't even say what I'm doing till today, so you're not actually, you haven't said it yet.
Oh, well, tell everybody what you're actually doing today.
Okay, stand up, sneeze.
Gotta have skills. All right, she's eating now. Kitty's like, are you gonna drop some of that? I might like hot sweet potatoes. I might like it. Yeah, you like sweet potatoes? She's wearing Rafael's robot onesie. Kitty. Oh, okay. Okay, Rafael's picking up all the shoes. He's doing a great job. And he's got all the kitties. Yay!
Not all of them.
Yeah, because Abigail had it in her room. So,
anyway,
yeah.
So you know how I was chosen out of like a few thousand people on base to be put on stage? Really
A couple of weeks ago, maybe it was 2 months ago.
A couple months ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically it's the same thing, but for the entire IDF and defense forces, like out of the police, out of border patrol, jailers.
Navy.
Navy is a part of the IDF.
Oh,
so
okay. Yeah.
the entire army, military, the entire military and defense forces of Israel. They pick a few people every single year that are, I don't know how you call it. Americans don't know how you call it either. They understood me, the Air Force guys, but they didn't know what the name is for.
Best in class.
Yeah, it's in class. It's an Excel program. You show how good you are over the time. If you don't show, you just have to be good.
Yeah.
You get it given to you. You don't ask for it.
Yeah.
And they choose very, very few people out of usually the Air Force or its class. So Air Force or Navy or Army, base, it doesn't matter. Each person does it differently.
So
the highest reward for defense forces is the Minister of Defense award.
all right, so you got it for the squadron and for the entire idea.
I got it for the base this year.
Yeah.
Base, not squadron.
Base.
It's because it has a few squadrons in it.
Oh, I see.
So
For
it's
the
like
entire
taking
base.
an entire Air Force base and
Yeah.
getting chosen out of them. And then they got me into the committee to get the award of the Minister of Defense, which is like
Awesome.
the head of the Department of Defense.
Yeah.
Whatever you guys call that. The only next reward I could possibly get is a President's Reward, but it's not Defense Forces, so it's more like what he does, since our president is not like your president. It's more like he's just their award.
Yeah.
It's for people who do usually outstanding things, not related usually to the
Military.
Defense Forces. Yes, but
Yeah.
even though we have that, our Defense Forces still send people there, but it's not the same kind of award. So basically, I got the highest possible award to get in life.
Awesome.
In Defense Forces.
That's going to look really good on your resume.
Which is not going to affect me soon.
Right.
Anyway, that's just an award to me. I'm not that. It's not going to get hung in my office anyway. You know, I just store it. It will
mine.
I store it. I'm not sure if I showed you my office before. I just store it.
No, you haven't. And actually, I want a lot of your stuff that's in your office.
Yeah, so
and I can't wait for you to bring it.
Over the years, it's all stored in the cabinet.
Yeah.
On the top shelf. So
and we'll display it eventually.
I'm not sure if I'll take it.
Because it's very, yes you will, sorry. But you're definitely taking it, that's yours.
It's like when someone asks you if you're gonna, what are you gonna take if your house burns down? What do you take? Usually people say pictures.
Well, the house is not burning down, but believe me, we can save a few pieces of paper and take them in our luggage.
That's what I'm saying. My mental luggage is what I take with me.
Yeah.
I don't need a picture, especially
that's
now with
fine.
a digital.
I need a picture.
Well, you know, it's just anyone could bring out an award, so.
That's true.
You win it, and it's yours, but I don't care about the little plaque.
And we'll have the vlog to prove it.
We're probably gonna have, oh yeah, it's always gonna be there forever and ever. And probably, most likely, we're gonna get a pin or something. Usually we get a pin stripe, so if you get the Air Force award, you get an Air Force little pin that I get to put on here, like my base.
Oh, he's gotten a lot of pins.
No, that's just a base.
Yeah,
pin.
you did get a lot of pins. This is a special pin for his award for the base. And then he's got this.
That's for
this is special though.
It's for participating. It's not.
You were there during a war.
Yeah.
You were in the military during a war, so he got that.
Yeah, you could be a cook and get it.
But cooks are essential to the army. You have to eat in the army.
I'm saying, you know, anyone.
Everyone is essential in the army. Everyone.
That's why everyone gets it. Anyway, so it's gonna be an all-day thing. We're gonna go to a museum. We're gonna tour around there a little bit. Then my dad's gonna get there late at night, and we're gonna have a ceremony where I salute, shake, take.
Yes, and kids are not allowed to go, so we are not going.
Highly recommended, said don't try to bring kids that are young because they're just gonna ruin it.
Right.
That is not why we're not taking the kids. It's just a big logistic thing to have one car for both of us.
For all day long.
Because I would have to put Andrea at my dad's and cross kids.
Yeah.
She doesn't want to deal with that, so.
No, I don't think anybody else wants to deal with that either.
But it is going to be very unusual for me not to have my wife there.
Yeah.
So I am expecting a lot of...
Where is your wife?
What do you call it when you fire back? Ricochet?
Reply? Oh, the ricochet your comments.
Not comments in the comment section. But
yeah.
People that actually know me.
Yeah. I've met 2 of his commanders before. And... is the one in the army, one of them's out of the army, but is the other one out of the army yet?
Nope.
Oh, okay. So I've met 2 of them before. I went to one of them's houses before, and he met Rafael as well. And the other one came over when Rafael was born, so I met 2 of them so far.
Ready to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why he puts them all face down.
All right, bye.
All right, Daddy's leaving. He's very dressy. He's gonna take the car today. Kitty, are you sad? Kitty, Kitty, are you sad? Kitty?
Don't get her in here. I don't want her.
Aww, she'll miss you.
One day.
Look how sad. Yeah, she's so sad.
See you tonight. Maybe you'll be asleep. Probably will be asleep. Meanwhile, at base. ויופיע לכם. אלא אם כן אתם לא מקטן יחסים. אם צריך אז אפשר לעשות זום.
בעוד מספר דקות ייכנסו לאולם שר הביטחון מר אביגדור ליברמן וראש המטה הכללי רב אלוף גדי איזנקוט. הנכם מתבקשים לכבדם לקימה. והנגדים המצטיינים, אני מתכבדת להזמין את שר הביטחון מר אביגדור ליברמן וראש המטה הכללי רב-אלוף גדי איזנקוט. עתה נזמין את הקצינים והנגדים המצטיינים. רב סמל הדר פרידמן, משרת בזרוע האוויר והחלל. כל השאלות שבדרך שאלת, לפעמים לא העזת לגלות אורות מהבהבים בשתי שניות, חולפים חיי אל מול עיניי קולות מזמן אחר, הלב אומר להתעורר בהם.
בדרך כלל אני משתדל לדבר דקה, 2 דקות מקסימום. הפעם אמרו לי, אתה מדבר יחיד, אתה חייב מינימום 6 דקות. אז אני אנסה ככה למשוך ולהסתדר עם 6 דקות. מקווה שנעמוד במשימה.
זומת אינסטגרם לפני שהייתי.
לא, כן, אבל אז... אני עכשיו נכנס לזה דווקא.
אני לא רוצה.
מכריחים אותי. תיאבון.
Alright, so this child here, this needs to be moved today. This is my stuff, Abigail. You know, I have very few places to keep my stuff now because you're always into my stuff. And you're on a desk. And that's very dangerous. So, oh my Lord have mercy. Everything has to be moved. Have to baby proof for the baby now. Yeah. Almost done. She's zipping the backside of her tent. I have to make sure to open that because it's very hot if it's all closed up. But all this black, that's mesh. All the black stuff. I was just trying to get in it. You have to go around the other side, Abigail. Wrong side. Alright, got almost all of it moved. Got to push it back farther. There's something under there that I have to get because it won't go back. And I think I'm going to go ahead and clean up this room again. We're going to take all of the baskets out and put her clothes in my dresser. I am getting rid of a lot of clothes. So hopefully that'll have enough room for her. There are actually screws up here, but this mirror is extremely heavy and I'm not able to lift it. Turn the air on. So I'm going to shut this window. Oh, I hate this. I think the windows are on backwards. Like inside out, because they go behind each other to open. Are you okay?
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. FoolyLiving.
I have to go get my prescription. They probably think that I'm crazy. The camera's on. Yeah. Kitty. I'm trying to talk here. I'm vlogging. This is the kitchen, right? Good morning. This is what brother did for ya.